Hello guys, how are you? So how I make this awesome image? Actually, I this image with Midjourney AI Discord server. So let's see how. First of all, you need to go Discord Midjourney server and you need to join it. So discord.gg /Midjourney. Press on enter. I already have a Discord account. If you not, then you just need to sign up Discord first. So I already have, so I need to accept invitation. It's processing. It's done. It's actually Midjourney Discord server. So first of all, you need to join some room. This is a new V, so you need to press on here. Then for quick task, you need to add own server on it. Then press on this icon, then press on Midjourney board, and you need to add your own server. I already have two server. It's easy, just if you don't have server, then you need to add a server and follow some steps. Add server, and I'm adding this server. Continue, authorize, and it's done. So let's start. Now I am preparing my image. For that, okay, this is my own server, so I am preparing my image now. First of all, I need to upload that image first. Suppose I then just upload. Then copy this image URL link, copy image address. Now you need to type / then Amazon. This is the tricks, and you need to paste your media link here. And then I am type like picture, old man, angry mode. I want to give natural background. Then for better result, you need to go with Midjourney version 4. That's done. Then enter. It's cooking. It's messaging. I don't know which one you like, but I think I am going with first on. Then you need to press U1. U1 means first on, U2 means second on, third on, fourth on. You can make some variation by clicking make variation, like upscale ratio, beta ratio, for more better result. Let's see. I think this one already good. It is good. You can easily download with high quality by clicking open in image. Now you can download it. Save image. So just see the difference between two images, this one to this one. Huge different. What do you think? Okay, you can create anything by typing like that. Thank you. Have a good